What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smokin and Grilling with me, AB. Now look, what time of the year it is? You know what it is. Listen, we're coming up on that New Year's Day, right? So listen, you gotta have the cornbread, right? You got to eat those black-eyed peas with something. Now, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to make a Southern style, cornbread. Now, I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section below. Do you guys put sugar in a Southern style cornbread? Hey, with that being said, look, let's go over these ingredients. All right, over here, look, it's real simple. It might look like a lot, but it's not. Look, you got buttermilk, you got flour, you got baking powder. Over here, you got oil. You know what I mean? This is vegetable oil. You got to have an egg. Come on now. You know what I mean? We got cornmeal, we got milk, we got baking soda, and then right here, we got salt. Super easy. Now, if you guys take a look right here, I was going to put it in my skillet. Look, my skillet is so nice and seasoned, ready to go, and crying to put some cornbread in it. Only reason I'm not going to use this because this recipe right here really goes like in a, if I put it in here, it'd be super flat, you know what I mean? So look, you guys want to put this like in a 10-inch, cast iron. But for today, I'm going to be using my small Pyrex. And with that being said, listen, I want to show you this right now. Take a look at this. I'm going to move this over here to this back. And you see all of these ingredients right here. When you talk about dump and go, that's what I mean, dump and go. So we're gonna put them all in. The buttermilk. Okay, so we got everything. You see, I done moved this over here, right? Because you want to add that. When I say last, that's what I mean, last. But don't forget, you guys, let me know down in the comment section below, what do you guys think about that sugar? For me, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I know this is gonna make a major debate. I do like mine a little bit on the sweet side. So I'm just gonna mix it up like that. And it should look like whatever your grandmother used to make or your mama. Hey, this right here, look at that. You just want to get it, and you just want to try to get most of these lumps out as you can. But right now, it looks like it's well incorporated. And when you use glass, you can look on the side, you can see if anything is on there. That tells me that we pretty much got everything, mixed. Now, I want you guys to take a look at that consistency right there. I'm liking that. Oh yeah. Okay, so you just saw the, the texture. Now, we add our last ingredient. And then we want to get this mixed, thoroughly. There's really nothing to it. It's more so like the recipe. This is what takes everybody back home. And that's one of the things that I like about food. You know what I mean? It just takes you on that journey. Because sometimes when you talk about the food, especially for me, when I smell it, it just takes me back in time, with my granny. Now, for me, sure would like to be using my cast iron, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it so we don't have anything stick, right? We got that. Now, let me get my, good catch. Grab my spatula, and then for here, let me do it this way. We just go ahead and just add it. Again, for all my new people, when you're making something like this, it's best to have the best tools, you know what I mean? I done tried it before. Sometimes I take a wooden spoon or even scrape this out, using my, my whisk, but this is proper because you want to get all your ingredients. Like, look at that. That's cornbread, folks. Now, if you take a look right here, I've already preheated my oven to 375 degrees. It's ready to go. It's been going. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this in there, and there's only one more thing that we're gonna need when we get done. And when we finish this, we always want to check it. How? That's right, you gotta have a toothpick. We're gonna check to make sure the center is done. So we just stick it in here, like that. Close it, and we set a timer for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, my timer just went off. It went off, and I'm gonna tell you just by looking at this right now, I'm gonna tell you it's right. Now I want you guys to take a look. You see that hole right there? I did check it. You know what I mean? But we're gonna check it again for you guys right now. I'll just put a hole right here. All right, and then when we pull it up, that right there, that's clean. I'm gonna go ahead and just check. Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it's still a little warm. I let it cool a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut myself, you know, just a couple of pieces. We'll just cut it. Hey, this kind of like, the way I'm cutting it right now, kind of like reminds me of, what was that game you used to play? Oh, tic-tac-toe. Right? And then we'll just go ahead and go like this. Nice. By spraying it, I can feel nothing really stick. I can look. You see that right there? Now I'm gonna get me something where I can reach down in here and just like lift them up and try to get them out of here whole. You know what? Because presentation is everything. Okay, so you can see I got myself, look, just a rubber spatula, silicone spatula, and I'm gonna try to get this up right here because this right here makes it super moist. You know what I mean? We'll just get it out and we'll just put it on there. You see that right there? Oh my goodness. Okay, so look, I done cut them all up, and this is, you know, real nice. To me, my mouth is watering, because look, just the aroma, you know, the aromatic that come off of cornbread right now, it's just making my mouth, you know, just like super water. Hey, and if you don't believe me, look, I got my water right here too. Hey, so look, I'm gonna go ahead and just take one of these end pieces. This is what I like about the end. I want you guys to come in and take a look at that. It's this piece right here. You see how they get a little crusty? Now I want you guys to just close your eyes and imagine this right here. Think about that, the collard greens, right? Collard greens, dip this in that liquor. Ooh wee. Hey, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get me some. Ooh, it's so moist. I got the best job on the planet. I get to taste everything I make. Look, and I know it's unfair for me to call it, you know, it's fire. I want you guys to just make this and tell me what you think. Real simple. And don't forget to answer that question. If it's Southern, do you guys use sugar? I'm gonna go ahead, I ain't gonna spoil it. I'll just read the comments down below. Now, try this, put this out, and the only thing this is screaming for is, hey, I could just say some black eyed peas, and you know what? This right here is telling me it's thirsty for that pot liquor, folks. Hey, with that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, folks, I'm finna pull out these greens and we finna eat, folks. I'm out.